I can't smile. I skip and play like a kid. I'm always happy. People think I'm optimistic, talented, and smart. I am religious. I have many friends. Do I look like that? Do I really look like that? Do I? I hope you're convinced by this synthetic, this fake smile of mine. How I don't have problems, and how I seem to be fine with everything. But am I? Smile and agree to every request. To be fine with everything. My so-called friends wanted. Do they know that all they're saying is fake? Have they thought of my feelings? Are they even my friends? I just can't go anymore. Does anyone know that? Once, I told my mom to cut the afternoon church club meetings. No, God, we're disappointed to you, she said. I wanted to reply, well, if you put it that way, or sure make me feel guilty. Do I have no choice? But all I can do is agree and pretend. I didn't ask anything. The saddest part is, with all the masks, my disguises, my covers, all the lies, everyone seems to believe. No one knows how gloom, how depressed, unhappy I am.